In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix TikTok verification code not received. The verification code of TikTok is very important in order to reset your password or you're trying to create your new account. So if you're not receiving the verification code, there could be a couple of fixes that you can try out. The first thing you can do is make sure if your permissions is allowed of messaging. Head over to the settings of your phone and search for permissions. And in permissions, search for SMS and make sure that your default messaging app is set to allowed. If yours is set to denied, then you will not receive any kind of SMS on your phone. Other than that, if you use other third-party applications such like Messenger to receive the messages, make sure you turn them on also. The other thing you can do is check if your SIM card is working properly. On the top you can see the bars of the SIM card. If it does not show any bars, that means that your SIM card connection is low. You can also try checking by dialing up your number and calling your SIM card. And the last and final thing you can do is you can simply try receiving the verification code of TikTok after a few hours. Normally these kind of problems occur because there is some kind of issue on the platform of TikTok and you're simply not going to receive the code if there is a problem. So make sure you wait out a few hours and you can try checking it, and hopefully your verification code should be received.